Hey there, fellow gamers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of 99 Nights in the Forest. If you're looking to unlock some amazing features and score free diamonds, you're in the right place. I've got all 10 new secret codes that will elevate your gameplay and help you gather those precious diamonds effortlessly. These codes are your ticket to enhancing your experience, whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out. Imagine unlocking exclusive items and leveling up faster than ever before. Make sure to enter these codes as soon as possible, as they can be time-sensitive. I'll walk you through each code step by step so you won't miss a thing. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Your support means the world to me. Let's jump right in and start collecting those diamonds. Thanks for watching. Like this video, please. Subscribe my channel.